Lowo owayengungqongqoshe wezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi oMbuso uthi laba bamsolwa ngokugwamandwa kwamandla oMbuso bambheca ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
I think the attacks were driven by a campaign that the chairperson now has to make a decision on, is whether I was part of capturing the state.
Ubonge kakhulu kusihlalo ngokumbiza azobeko lwakhe uhlangothi kule khomishana wathi leli yithuba lakhe lokuthi akwazi ukugeza igama lakhe.
I make myself publicly accountable to this commission today, and I thank you for the opportunity.
Ubese echazela ikhomishana ngesimo ayifica ikuso iEskom wathi abantu babecabanga ukuthi unesandla.
Eskom was in dire financial straits. It was in dire straits in terms of load shedding. I mean, I think I was called the Minister of Load Shedding.
Usihlalo ukhombisa ukukhathazeka ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo einkampanini engamabhizinisi oMbuso.
People who are supposed to perform oversight functions over them have not done their job properly over a certain period.
Usihlalo ubuzile ukuthi kungani kanti kungekho umuntu okwazi ukuthola ukuthi ngempela yini eyadala ukuthi kube nohlelo lokucishwa kogesi ngenhloso yokuwonga.
They're not capable of identifying what the problem is about load shedding. If they are not capable of doing that, can't they find people with the right expertise and experience anywhere in the world who will know how to solve this problem and then solve the problem?
Ungqongqoshe wezamandla uGwede Mantashe kulindeleke ukuthi ethule ubufakazi naye kule khomishana.